Welcome to 717 Fowlersville Road in Berwick, Pennsylvania, where modern craftsmanship meets classic farmhouse charm. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has been completely rebuilt from the studs up, offering over 2,300 square feet of beautifully finished living space while preserving the warmth of its early 1900s roots. Here, you're just about 25 minutes from both Geisinger Medical Center, our major level 1 trauma center, and one of the region's largest employers. And also just about 25 minutes from Talon Energy Power Plant in Berwick. Inside the home is absolutely stunning. A custom KraftMaid kitchen with quartz countertops, KitchenAid appliances, and beautiful designer finishes sets the tone. It's bright open and blends farmhouse warmth with modern luxury. You're getting all new plumbing, electrical, spray foam insulation, and upgraded mechanicals. Nothing was skipped. This is a true rebuild.